Hey everyone, welcome back to day 2 of our Python series. Today, I'll show you how to open any website using Python's built-in web browser library. It's super easy and fun. Let's get started. First, you don't need to install anything because it's already built into Python. This line imports the web browser module, which allows Python to control your browser. Now let's open YouTube. When you run this, it will instantly open YouTube in your default browser. Let us make it more interesting by giving options to the user. I think it is a good idea. With this, the user can pick a website by typing a number and Python will open it. Here, you can add more options such as Insta page link or YouTube channel link. Yes. Now, we will add if-else condition here. When you will choose option 1, YouTube will open. If you will choose 2, Google will open. And if you choose 3, Facebook open. Run. Now you can enter 1, 2, or 3 which option you want. If I choose 1, it will take me to YouTube. Run again. Now enter 2 and boom. Similarly, I will choose 3 and it will take me to Facebook. If you want to open it in a new tab, you can use Open New Tab function. This will open the link in a new tab. Run. Look here, now the link is opened in a new tab. Wow, interesting. If you want to open in a new browser window, you can use Open New function. Now we will use it in our code. Yes, now the link is opened. And that's how you control your web browser using Python. Super simple. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite website. Subscribe for day 3 tomorrow. We're making something super amazing in Python next. See you then.